Hey everybody, welcome to Shmu's Adventure. What we're going to do today, me and Victor, if you recall, we made a video where he turned this log into a cant. We're going to take the rest of this cant and turn it into 3 2x6s. So if I measure it, it's already 6 inches. 6 inches, about 6 inches. We should be able to get 3 2x6s, by however long it is, out of it. Check it out. Here we go. I already have the first cut set at 2 inches. These are going to be pretty true 2-inch ones. All right, we're going to fire up the old Wood Mizer. This sucker's got a diesel motor on it, man. We're going to let the glow plugs warm up a little bit. And I can't forget to turn on the water. Here we go. Turn on the water. Got him. Just crack it. Okay, we're going to find the hole. Let's go. Water off. Check it out, folks. We're gonna put them on the trailer one at a time. Listen, guys, I don't have to mill this wood. I guess I could go buy my own wood, but guess what? This wood come from this land, and I'm gonna use it on some structures on this land. And I like to dedicate this video to the people who can't get up and do this. The ones that lost their legs and hadn't got no prosthetics and no robot legs. Those that lost their arms and ain't had no money to get no robot arms. The ones that's sick, afflicted with diseases that they can't cure. The cancers that's killing our friends and family. I like to dedicate this to all those that can't be here, but I can be here. To the little kids who's born when moms and dads is strung out on dope and drugs. To the kids that's born with diseases and addictions that they didn't ask to be afflicted with. I like to dedicate this to all those folks that's watching this, that the weak. It don't mean you're weak in spirit and mind, it just means you can't get out here and do this. But I can do it for you. And that's who I'm dedicating this to. I hope that don't sound goofy, but that's how I feel today. But anyway, back to putting this wood up. Good piece right there. Woo-wee. Yeah. I wonder how long they are. Let's measure them just to find out. See how long these rascals are. I don't know how long this tape measure is. Must be a 12-footer. That's 12 foot right there. But that's 12. And 4 shun. Them suckers is over 16 foot, guys. Good size 2x6 is shun. Okay. Good 2x6, boy. Look at that pretty wood. Come on, man. Come on. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Look at those little spots where the bugs done burrowed in there. This is some places where bugs went in there. Okay, that's why they heat that wood up to get that moisture out of it and run them bugs out of there. Look at them guys. Get out of there, fellers. That's why they heat it up in them ovens. Get them bugs out of there. And I'm gonna put it right up on the daggone building. I believe y'all reckon she's gonna shrink a little bit. I hear that wood is shrink as it dries. I get some expandable nails, some stretchable nails. You know what I'm talking about. That's 3 quick 2x6s by 16 foot right there. Next, we're gonna take that log right there and I'm gonna show you how to make a camp. Stay tuned. Thanks, and hey, like and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so you can see what we're up to next. We're gonna make a go out of this homestead. It ain't easy, but we're gonna do it. Thanks.